Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. Several features make Creality Ender 3 3D relevant in the market. First, it comes in 220 by 220 by 250 mm dimension, which is ideal for small-scale printing. You get a heated build plate that is quite similar to build tack. The filament pathway of the printer is quite tight and makes printing with flexible materials easier. Another notable feature of this product is the power recovery mode that enables the machine to resume printing in case of a power failure. You can print with almost anything on this machine. It is compatible with ABS, PETG, PLA, exotic and flexible filaments. Assembling the Creality Ender 3 3D printer is very easy and takes very little time if you follow the instructions provided in the manual. It doesn't look any different from a high-end printer once you perfect the calibration. A common problem with this printer is the uneven base, which causes the printer to wobble. However, you can solve this problem by sticking a wedge under it. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max 3D Printer. Create life-sized projects with ease. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max's massive 16.5-inch by 16.5-inch by 19.7-inch workspace lets you print oversized models like pet playgrounds or even full-scale DIY sand tables, all in one seamless piece. Need to connect additionally with the Anycubic ACE Pro. Anycubic Kobra 3 Max Combo 3D Printer allows your printing in 4 colors. By pairing 2 ACE Pro units together, you can achieve brilliant 8-color printing, expanding possibilities for more vibrant and colorful creative projects. The Kobra OS firmware platform, paired with SG-15 high-precision bearings and a dual-axis core design, enables printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second and accelerations of 10,000 mm/s superscript 2. This combination shortens printing times, enhances stability and precision, facilitating quicker and more efficient printing process. By utilizing AI recognition for real-time monitoring of the printing process, the system will automatically pause printing and alert the user if any abnormalities, such as spaghetti, are detected in a specific model during bulk printing. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max Resin 3D Printer. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max offers a spacious printing size of 298 mm x 164 mm x 300 mm, allowing for the creation of full-size masks, intricate game terrains, detailed cosplay props, and various models without the hassle of cutting and assembling. Light Turbo 3.0 combines a COB light source and Fresnel lens, and factory calibrate technology can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. With the anti-aliasing feature activated and paired with high-precision positioning lead screws, it effectively minimizes layer lines and aliasing to achieve a higher level of precision. The Photon Mono M7 reaches a maximum speed of 60 mm per hour thanks to Intelligent Release 2.0, a 200% speed increase comparing to the previous M3 Max printer. In addition, the flip-open cover design supports one-hand opening and hovering angles anywhere greater than 45 degrees that can save time and space. Dynamic Temperature Control Resin Vat will adjust the temperature of the resin material to maintain the optimal print temperature at all times for print success. And Resin Autofill feature allows for automatic filling and one-key recycling of remaining resin. Release Film uses integrated design for easier replacement. After printing is completed, the model can be suspended above the platform with a small angle, allowing the resin to flow back into the resin vat. And a bigger resin vat with 1,300 milliliters volume for large models. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. 50 dB low printing noise. Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer is designed for efficiency. The core XY structure ensures stable at max speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Enclosed 3D printer equipped with a dual filtration system of internal and external, effectively blocking 99% of particles and VOCs. Protecting respiratory system. Set up within 10 minutes after unboxing, FLASHFORGE 5M Pro just need one-click auto-leveling for precise perfect first layers, without complicated operation procedures. All metal design, as well as filament sensor and power failure recovery function to save time and filament. Great ideal 3D printer for home, adults and kids. Max 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, 32 mm superscript 3/S large flow hot end, 35S heat to 200 degrees Celsius. To ensure that the consumables are fully melted during high-speed and high-temperature printing, built-in vibration compensation. Eliminating ghosting in prints, this printer is equipped with a powerful nozzle fan and an auxiliary fan within the cavity to effectively cool printed models, preventing wire drawing and deformation with utmost efficiency. Flash Maker support remote real-time monitoring of printing, adjustment parameters, receiving message alerts, etc. 5M series dedicated to achieving max freedom, convenience, and less waiting time. Number 5. Creality K1 SE 3D Printer. K1 SE 3D printer inherits the lightweight and agile Core XY system of the K1 series. Max 600 mm per second speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. It can maintain print quality while printing at high speed. It is 12 times faster than the other normal 3D printer. Creality K1 SE uses the same extruder as K1C. The extruder, equipped with a newly added side spring ball plunger, feeds filaments precisely without slacking. Apart from regular filaments, it can also handle flexible TPU. Easy to maintain, quick to swap. The durable steel-tipped copper nozzle is integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. It blocks heat creep and can be swapped super easily. The ceramic heater, 75's quick heating from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius, encircling the hot end, can fully melt ABS asterisk and other filaments for ultra-fast printing. Creality 3D printer K1 SE has a rigid frame with aluminum alloy parts made by integrated die casting. It also features corner gussets and crossbeams on both sides to reinforce the frame. So, this Creality 3D printer can operate steadily with minimal shaking. Give it a tap and walk away. The Creality 3D printer's K1 SE auto calibration gets everything ready for you. Bid farewell to the frustrating leveling work with calibration paper.